Hey, so I just did something really cool, I think, with Claude Code that I think other designers can find valuable, and I wanted to share it with you. So my product has a lot of tables. It's a very data intensive kind of a developer product. And so for me, it's very, very important that when I design, I use real data. But I have different tables with different types and different structures, schemas. So how I would do this, I work in Claude Code about my opportunities and the problems that I'm solving, regardless of what I'm showing you. And how I would work until now is that I would have it generate a CSV for me and generate some mock data, and then go one by one and copy paste value into these tables. And these tables are just kind of like you can think of them as flexbox rows, that each one of them has a cell component, and that cell component has multiple types. So what I did was I had Claude Code. I used the Figma MCP to speak with Claude Code and have it look at this specific table. And I told it about my problem and about how much of a pain it is, and had it one-shot Figma plugin that I can use to copy and paste CSV. So if I'm copying it and I need to change the schema, or if I want to add more rows, then it's very easy. So for example, here, let me show you this example. Right. So here I have an example of a CSV that I generated with Claude Code, as I was talking to it about the problem that I'm solving. And I can just grab my table, use the CSV duplicator, refresh it to make sure that it identified the right columns. I did it. I have some small preview here, and I populate the table. And bam, just like that. I have new data injected into it, based on the mock data that Claude Code generated. I also added a few little configurations after I was done to make sure that, for example, it names the rows, give them human readable names, and to have some configuration of whether I wanted to add the table headers or not, just to support different use cases that I have. The whole thing probably took me 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, with all the additional configuration that I wanted to add for my specific use case. I think it's really cool, but more than the specific plugin I generated, I think it's just really cool in terms of the value that it creates and the unlock that it can have for us as designers to be able to generate tools for our own use cases to make us more effective. Yeah, that's it. Hope you find it interesting. If you have any question, let me know, and I'd be happy to share more.